people.
Big adventure today, so we need a wonderful breakfast.
Yeah, workout of the morning. Have you ever seen a pink banana? Here you go. No way.
Look,
Pink
come and see
banana.
this banana.
Wow.
They're all pink. We are packing all our stuff again. We're almost ready to leave to keep driving. Today is day number 2 and we are going to the coast of Ecuador.
This will be our itinerary for today. We will take 7 hours. We will cover the total distance of 296 kilometers. Highest elevation will be 1,791 meters, 5,548 feet. Today ride will descend along the western slope and we will arrive crossing the rainforest to the coast. The first stop will be Cascada Verde, Laguna Azul, after 48 kilometers, and then we will take a dirt road for about 1 mile and we will just drive on a suspension bridge. It will be really cool. We will arrive to Pedernales. Pedernales is the shrimps capital of Ecuador. Finally, we will arrive in Canoa. That will be our last destination for today. And it's a really beautiful city on the coast where we can have amazing seafood dinner. Let's go.
Okay, this is how we left our bike, all our boots, helmets, our bike gear. It takes a while to get dressed.
We arrive at Cascada Verde. Actually, there are 2 waterfalls. One is 5 minutes away from the main road and the other one is half an hour. We will go to the one that is half an hour hike. We park here, it's safe. We pay $4 each for the entry fee to the waterfalls.
Por aquí es la entrada a las cascadas.
Okay.
Bajando el sendero, a 10 minutos la primera cascada.
Perfecto.
La segunda allá al fondo está a media hora o 20 minutos.
¿Cuál es la más bonita?
La de
segunda.
allá.
Okay.
La segunda.
Perfecto.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. The lady said that the second one is the most beautiful one, so we'll go and check it out. We'll check it out both. Are you ready?
Where are you drinking from?
From the bottle here.
So you just go like that? She drinks directly from inside there.
So we can avoid single-use plastic bottles. Every time it's possible to refill with potable water, we fill this and then we drink all day long.
We have 2 of them. We have one here and one on the other side.
We bought this repellent for mosquitoes. This is a eco-friendly repellent because you can go and swim in cenotes, in waterfalls, in the ocean, in the sea, and you will not contaminate the water. So this is it's all natural, 100% natural.
They made all the handrail all in bamboo, and look the size of these bamboos. They're so huge, so big.
Giant. Beautiful.
Look these bamboos compared to Sara. They're huge.
Waterfall, guys. How is the train?
Nice, it's a little bit slippery, but it's okay, our shoes are working well.
It's really muddy. Yeah. Guys, this is our second day with a motorcycle. And
Today is sunny, it's not raining, so it's beautiful. We're having a lot of fun.
We were talking about this. Doesn't matter the vehicle you have. The vehicle is just a way to reach a point, a destination. At the end of the day, what really matters is what you have learned from the experience you are able to do, from the people you know on the way.
There are some vehicles that can bring you in some places and other vehicles that can't. And there is also the fun part. There are vehicles that are more fun to drive and vehicles that are less fun to drive.
And then there is the reliability. And in this moment, luckily, it's not fixed properly. It's just the process. So what I would like to say to you, it doesn't matter if you have a van, if you have a Mercedes Sprinter, if you have a truck camper, if you have a motorhome, if you have a
Unimog.
Doesn't matter. It's you and what you learn every day from the road.
And how you overcome every challenge. Because
Exactly.
when you're traveling, when you are overlanding, like we're doing, when you are on an expedition, many challenges will be.
You're facing every day something new, new challenges, and it's a way to prove yourself that you can do it every day. And now let's go and enjoy this second amazing waterfall. Second bridge crossing. Beautiful. We can see Luca there filming.
Hello.
Hello. Voila! This is the second waterfall. And now we will take a dip into it.
Let's swim.
The water is really cold, really cold. They told us it's warm, but it's not. Definitely not. But it's really nice.
Beautiful.
Beautiful guys.
Now it's time to do the trail backwards to get back to the motorcycle. Let's go.
Do you like the waterfall?
Yeah, nice.
From the main road, you just turn left 1 mile off-road to reach La Isla Osteria and this beautiful wire suspension bridge. Ready to cross?
Yes. And now we will go back all the off-road, back to the main road, and then we will go to the beach, to the coast.
In Puerto Nuevo and we bought pan de yuca, cassava bread.
Gracias. Yeah, yeah. I will taste one too. I love it. In Brazil, they make pão de queijo, and they are really similar to this.
yuca. Yuca is special, but it is cheese inside.
Mm-hmm.
They are quite. It's like a gummy bear, but it tastes like cheese and bread. Really good.
They are cooking the pan de yuca.
We arrive in Pedernales, the best shrimps town in Ecuador. If you want to eat the freshest, the cleanest, the best shrimps in Ecuador, you need to come here in Pedernales. And it's also the closest beach. If you are in Quito, if you want to just go on the coast, this will be the first town that you will find on your way. We will continue along the coast. We will stop to the Ecuador line, the real one, and then we will try to visit some shrimps farms before heading to Canoa. That will be our destination for today.
Before it gets dark, let's go!
Let's go!
We are exactly at latitude 0.
This is the real one. So guys, I will put one of my foot, one in the south hemisphere, the other one in the north hemisphere. So it's possible to have 2 feet in 2 different hemispheres. Good evening guys, we are in the middle of several shrimps farms. So now you will see with the drone, we will fly the drone and you can see all these huge ponds full of shrimps. And the road, guys, was really challenging. It's muddy, it's slippery, and we risk to fall several times, right?
Yeah. Here was crazy. You can see all the mud stick on, and it was like going on soap. Okay guys, what do you would like more? Amazing motorcycle, a wonderful girlfriend, and look at these dishes.
The best shrimps in Ecuador. Here we are guys, the best look. This is encocado de camarones. It's a kind of soup made with fresh shrimps. And this is our grilled shrimps with patacons, salad and rice. All this is $7 and this is $6. Bon appetit guys, we will enjoy our meal. Wait, what do you want more than? Amazing boyfriend.
You cannot see, but behind the motorcycle there is the ocean.
What happened?
We were eating at the restaurant, we came out and the tire is that way.
Because it's not an adventure if you haven't a flat tire. Guys, we went to dinner here in Canoa. We are here with Clever, our friend that is helping us.
He lent us his bike so we could go to the hotel and get our tools to try to fix the bike.
Yeah. I stay here with Clever and the bike, and we have a nice chat. He's from Loja in the southern part of Ecuador. We had a really big luck to find Clever on the road because it was just in the right moment, you know. We were just thinking, okay, now what we can do.
Yeah.
And he helped us out. You always find good people on the road.
First thing you do, you take off this one and you make sure to take off these two pieces because we will need it later. Put everything in a clean place like this so the sand, nothing goes in there. So then what you want to do, you want to open the brakes
Yeah.
to be able to take this off.
Okay.
Because we will have to take this off.
Yeah.
In order to take off the wheel, the chain off as well. We have to take it off, put it on the side like this,
Okay.
without touching the sand.
Okay.
And now we'll take off the wheel. And make sure these pieces here, they don't have to come off. So this is the old inner tube. You have to open there.
Yeah.
Because we will need to take it off and put the new one. So what I thought it happened, it actually happened because I tried to inflate the tire and it wasn't inflating. So sometimes what happens is that here it gets older and rusty, and it eventually pull it off and it breaks.
Okay.
So this is really common, can happen a lot of time. Let's put the new one. Now it's the worst part because you have to put this one in there, and I already cut myself. You can see some blood there because the space is really small. Okay.
Done?
Done.
Let me see. Ah, yeah.
So as soon as you put it in,
then it's all peaches and cream.
and it's all peaches and cream,
You can
guys.
smell the flowers.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so you just put inside the inner tube.
Yeah.
And then you inflate.
It's that easy.
Not so easy.
And just like this, done.
Done. Easy peasy, guys.
Just make sure that this one is not making pressure. We will start from here.
Yeah, so it
Because
doesn't move.
we don't have to damage here.
Yeah.
Because what's the cause of all this trouble.
Yeah.
So you have to put this one like this, but you have to be really careful not to not to touch the inner tube, otherwise you will break it.
Wow.
And plus you see somebody already done this, and they will do all this stuff, so let's be careful just not to damage also the rim. Okay, so you just press here with one foot, and you go all around like this. Okay, the worst part, it's the last.
It's the last piece, of course,
It's
because
the
it will
last
be the toughest one to get in.
Get it all. Okay.
Tired.
Okay.
Oh, grande, you did. Working?
Yeah, you have to wait all this part to get out. You see these pieces? Make sure to put it in like this, because here is where you align the wheel. So you put one side first, then you put the second one, just like that. We start closing, and before closing it harder, you want to push the wheel that way to make sure in both sides it's touching there. Okay, when it's touching there on both sides, you're ready to start closing it hard. Then the first thing you want to do after doing this job, remember we open the brakes, so what you want to do is before riding your bike, doing anything, it's pump your brake. You see, it's all empty. Okay, now it's good again, because you have to close all that. Okay, let's test the wheel. Good to go.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Looks perfect. You're ready to go.
Okay guys, we made it.
You did a great job. For real.
We fixed the tire. Actually it was just the inner tube. And yeah, now we will go back to the hotel and go to sleep. I'm so tired.
We had other plans. We would like to see a movie and work.
Relax and
work. But this is how it goes.
Our adventure goes, you know, we always have to work.
Our tires fairy tale. Okay guys, so
we hope you like the video.
Yes.
If you like it, please give us a thumbs up.
Stay positive, life is beautiful. We love you guys, we appreciate you, and see you in the next one.
Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so every video which we put on YouTube you can see it first. See you on the next one. Ciao beautiful people.
Ciao.
See you on the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.